In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mention in Basecamp. By the end, you'll know exactly how to tag teammates in a message and in chat so they're notified and can jump straight into the conversation. First, sign into Basecamp. Head to the Basecamp login page, enter your email address, and click Next. Then enter your password and log in. Keep your credentials private and make sure you're on the correct account if you use more than one. Once you're in, open the project where you want to mention someone. Choosing the right project is important because mentions only work with people who are part of that project. If you're not sure, double check the project name and icon before you continue. Inside the project, go to the message board. This is great for announcements, updates, or anything that should stick around and be easy to find later. Click New Message to start composing. In the message body, type the @ symbol, that's the @ sign, and begin typing the teammate's name. As you type, Basecamp will show a drop-down of matching people. Click the correct name from that list. Selecting from the drop-down matters. This is what turns plain text into a real mention that triggers a notification. Add any additional context your teammate needs, such as what you're asking for or a due date, then click Post this message. The person you mentioned will be notified, and their name will appear highlighted so others can see who's being looped in. You can also mention people in the project's chat for quick back and forth. Open the chat tool from the project home. In the message field, type @ and the person's name, then choose them from the drop-down and send your message. Mentions in chat work the same way. They ping the person and make it easy for them to find the thread. A few quick tips to make mentions effective. If you don't immediately see the person's name in the dropdown, try typing more of their name to narrow the results. You can mention multiple people in one message by repeating the @ symbol with each name. Keep your message clear and actionable so the recipient knows exactly what you need. And remember, don't share sensitive information in messages or chat. That's it. Log in, open your project, use the message board for posts or chat for quick conversations. Type @ plus the name, select it from the dropdown, and send. Your teammates will be notified and ready to help.